Hola, querida.
No, there's a bug. Oh no.
Je suis Matiza. Bienvenue à ma chaîne de YouTube. I hope you guys have your favorite snack, your favorite drink, because queridas, we have a weekend ahead of us. Would you say that you're creative in the kitchen?
Why not?
1 hour, $10. What about weekends? $12 all day?
So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
I'm on my way to go bowl. Like bowling, I'm on my way to do that. I don't remember the last time I bowled. I think I was like 10, 9, 12. I don't remember. Now, I'm really competitive. I'm the type of competitive person, like, I'm not gonna be like, oh yeah, I'm competitive, like to everybody. I'm just like, yeah. But then I end up winning. I'm gonna cut this part out if I don't win. Laura looks so cute. I'm vlogging. You want to be in it? I gotta I have to. Okay, this is my querida. Hello. Laura. This is my favorite vlogger ever.
Nah, this is mine.
Alright guys, we're here at the bowling alley. Matiza the best is about to bowl. How do I flip it?
Yo, tell me why this treadmill is not turning on. How are you turning it on? I wanna walk. I guess I'll get my steps the natural way. Let's go. Hello everyone. My name is Matiza and welcome to Matiza in Medicine.
So y'all know my baby Matiza in Medicine. Well, here's a clip of me filming content for it. I love going to noon services at church because I have time to do what I need to do beforehand. So this is me handling business before going to my daddy's house.
Okay guys, just got out of church. It was so good. I'm just soaking it all in. Sometimes you get out of service, you're like, oh, that was a good word. Nah. Like, I like to understand what I just received and how it applies to my life. I like to connect the dots, so it was so good. It was so good. I'm gonna link it down in the description for you guys as well. Wow. My water is hot. Okay. So, I'm on my way to a cafe. I gotta do some studying. And it's gonna be my first time going to this cafe. I researched it online. A lot of people go there to do work. Boy, it's hot. It's hot up in here. 70 degrees. I wear the perfect dress for the occasion. But I'm not really a summer fan. Not spring, summer. The reason why is because I don't do bugs. And heat, it melts off my makeup, you know? And I like a cute beat. But when the heat is going against the beat, disaster. I'm here, but the parking is giving me a headache. I like to do restaurants or cafes that has their own allocated parking spot. I don't like to do street parking. I don't like this better be free, please. It's Sunday. Do not enter. Excuse me. So where? This is giving me a headache. And I'm just parking. I didn't even start studying and I already have a headache. Like, what? Ah, yeah. Y'all guys are falling. 1 hour, $10. Daily max. What about weekends? $12 all day. I tried my best to get a street parking, but everything was full. But $12, fine. 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 I don't like wasting money to park my car. I already paid my car note. I already, you know, like what else is... I'm just gonna park my car wherever I want. Please take your ticket with you. Pay on exit as easy pay. I'm gonna ask the coffee shop if they validate parking. Do you guys validate parking? Yeah, I'll come back again. You don't? See you guys never. I wanted to share with you guys some of my favorite rap artists. They are Christian rap artists. One of them is Caleb Gordon. The other one is Alex Jean. They're so good. I'm gonna give y'all just a little taste. A little taste. First of all, the name of the title, Fire. All right, you ready? Just a little bit because I'm trying to get copyrighted. O-E-E.
Take over the land, Alakazam. No, don't do the magic. Watch it go poof when I put a problem in G.O.D. hand.
It's good, isn't it? Yeah. All right, let's see if we can find this place because apparently it's in a building. Y'all remember how I said I wanted to go out more in one of my last videos? Well, apparently it's coming with the cost. But I'm happy. It's a good day. I wanted to show you guys. First of all, look at this elevator. Look at the fit. Yes. Sorry to disturb you. Do you know what the Wi-Fi password is?
Oh yeah. They have it up there, but I can show it to you real quick. No, don't worry about it.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Yes, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Oh, what language do you speak? Okay, bueno que tenga buen día. Gracias. See, this is why I love knowing the languages that I know, because you literally get to connect with anyone. And what a privilege it is to connect with the world through people. Oh, watching this back and editing this, it makes me so happy. By the way, the food was so good. Oh my gosh, objective done. Quick OOTD, dresses from Ross, jacket don't know, boots, Marshalls, such a gem, purse, Marshalls, beauty, Jesus. Yay! I just got home and my mom wanted me to show you guys the broccoli that she has been growing. She said that she did it with no fertilizer. Let me show you guys. No, there's a bug. Oh no. Don't keep the door open.
Crazy.
It was a fly. It's right there. There's two of them. No. Mommy,
I don't even wanna
close the door. It's gonna get in.
I don't even wanna tell you.
Mommy, close the door.
Let me record it.
Here. Here's the camera. Here's the camera.
Broccoli. This is broccoli. And the other.
Are you talking
and
to
this
them?
is kale here. And then you have a lemongrass tea. And here we have a beans is growing. And here we have a parsley is coming. More to come. This is what you call organic kale. She's scared of flies.
Okay, now hurry up and close the door. Hurry. You need help with the door? I'm asking if you need help with the door. My mom did. Instead of saying no, she just did. I want to show you her outfit right now, but oh, also we have African movies going on. Fun fact, I grew up on African movies. I grew up on Nollywood. I grew up on Ghanaian African movies, the whole yard. A couple months ago, we got my mom a new bed and we have yet to build it. But today is the day, Queridas.
Matiza, ask me help. Don't do that. Matiza!
I forgot to show you what my hair looked like. You want to see? Ready?
That's good.
Slow-mo. Slow-mo.
Saving money. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Good job, Matiza. I'm proud of you. You did it. Show behind yourself. Be proud of yourself. Yes.
You like it?
Yeah.
On a scale from one.
Oh my God.
And look at the part.
Show them. Open.
I already opened it for them.
Yeah.
Will you see the parts?
Yeah, I can see. On scale of 1 to 10 is 10.
Ooh.
100. Yeah. We don't take this for granted. Here.
Ooh.
Is it good?
My mom got some perfume. No, this is hair and body mist. So it's for the hair and the body, I guess.
Is it hair?
Hair and body.
Which hair? Pro cabelo?
Yeah, para cabelo.
Oh, no, tenho que devolver.
Hair and body. Para cabelo e também o corpo.
Ah, é?
Yeah.
Tá bem.
Let me see how it smells. Mmm, smells
Então-
good. Okay, guys, so my mom made barbecue chicken. I am gonna give a little taste test because we already ate, but I just wanna give a little taste test. Ready, set, go. Mmm.
You don't have a choice. You have a choice. Isabel, please.
It's alright.
Hey! Hey!
Oh my gosh, you guys, the flavor. The flavor is just so amazing. It's giving barbecue, but then like a tint of spice, but the right spice. It's not like spicy, you know? Mmm. Delicioso. 10 out of 10.
No doubt.
All right, let's really make this bed because I gotta go to bed. I got my handy dandy.
Oh, my daughter.
What's this called?
Love you so much.
Oh, you're so cute. Love you too, Bookie.
Thank you, Bookie.
What is this called? I have this. Okay, you guys know the name of it. Okay, right now I can't think of it. Now come show them. My mom wants to show you guys what she's cooking. She's cooking cake. So she made a flour composition of almonds, crushed almonds, some coconut shreds, and chia seeds. So she just wants to show you guys
All the seeds.
all the seeds.
Yeah.
Right here. You see it?
Almond, cashew, coconut, dried coconut, and chia seeds.
Chia seeds.
Que más? Sunflower seeds.
Okay, now explain to them why are you doing this?
Instead of using flour, I'm gonna use this as a flour.
Nice. Would you say that you're creative in the kitchen?
Why not? No question. Why not?
Period. My trusty hammer.
In my day.
Okay, I'm gonna need your help with this part. Hurry, come on, I'm trying to go to bed.
You don't have a patient. I have to go to my prayer line.
Hey, editing Matiza here. Y'all saw this scene. I just wanted to address a few things. One of the things I pride myself on my channel is being authentic. Since day one of me creating my channel, I've always tried my best to present my authentic self as possible. My goal, is there a stock? Why is this hoodie so heavy? Oh, I look so cute chilling. That moment was a real moment, you know what I mean? I was about to edit that part out, but I was like, whoa. I want to be true to myself. Building the bed, it was not an easy task. And with obstacles in life comes also not always happy emotions. And I'm just so grateful I was able to capture that with that previous scene. And one of the things I love about me and my mom's relationship is that we're able to do a little tussle and then get right back into the loving momentum. So I just wanted to clear that out the way because, you know. All right, let's proceed. Bread is finally done.
From Ikea.
This is mommy's cake. Oh my gosh, it looks so delicious. So the dealio is it has no sugar. So I tried it already, and I already told mommy my thoughts. What did I tell you?
Vegan.
Yes, I said it's giving vegan. Or not even vegan. Or if my palate didn't automatically favor sugar, then that would have been a 10 out of 10. My mom, she eats like a herbivore. You guys know what a herbivore is? That's what I should say. Instead of saying it's giving vegan, a herbivore, you guys learned it. We all learned it in elementary. Herbivores only eat grass. Carnivores eat meat, carne. Omnivores eat both. I'm more on the omnivore end. Like my mom eats clean. That's her diet. She eats clean. I eat clean, but just not to that level of clean. That level of clean is Olympics level of clean. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Bye, friends.
Aw, she said bye, guys.